Hey everyone, I wanted to do a video on one of the very few 2021 models that we have. This is a Cougar 29BHS, a really awesome family floor plan. It comes in weighing a little bit over 7,000 pounds with a overall length of 34 feet 1 inch. So here on the outside you have your power tongue jack. Very large propane tanks are just behind there, and you also have two of them. Of course, a spot for your battery. And then your front cap has some accent lights that you can turn on while you are taking it down the road, so that's pretty nice. It also looks really cool at night. Diamond plating at the bottom of your front cap and running along the side of it too, just to help protect it. This also has the industry's best 3-year limited structural warranty. You are prepped for side marker cameras if you want them, in addition to some pass-through storage, so great spot for extra camping gear. You also have a power awning that has the two entrances into the camper protected underneath it, so you really have a lot of outdoor living space and you're not getting rained on when you want to go into your camper. It also has a white LED light strip, Bluetooth cable, outside speakers. Your main entrance has the oversized grab handle as well as these solid steps. And since this is a 2021 model, you are pre-wired for solar if you want it. Satellite and cable hookup plus power, so if you want to get a TV set up out here with a table on it, you can do that. Watch the game, watch the Rays, family movie night, whatever you want. And then you also have an outside kitchen that is protected underneath the awning. Cubby space for your plates and utensils, a drawer that pulls out with your stainless steel Capital grill, and a mini fridge, outside shower. And this actually leads into your bathroom, which is pretty nice. Spare tire and an access door for some storage, and I'll talk about that a little bit more once we get in there. A ladder to just climb up and check up on your roof and slide out maintenance, and you are pre-wired for a backup camera if you want one. One slide out on your non-camping side, and then there is access to your water heater. But there you have it. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. Okay, coming all the way to the front, we have our master bedroom. You have this really nice barn-style sliding door for extra privacy. A spot for a TV is just next to that, and you also have a couple windows on both sides, as well as a huge window at the head of your bed. And they all have shades too, so you can sleep in if you want. Huge king-size mattress with additional storage underneath. You also have end tables on both sides, as well as kind of like raised up shelves, and even little cubbies underneath each, so you can hide some snacks or other personal belongings. Closet lockers on both sides and a couple cabinets that connect in between. Both also have outlets and USB ports, so you can plug in a sleep app machine or charge your electronics. You are prepped for a second AC here in the bedroom. And then coming out here into the main entertaining space of the camper. On the other side of your master bedroom wall is the in-command system. So through this touch screen, you are able to access your interior lights, control your AC, your heating, see how full all of your tanks are. But they even have a app that you can download for free on your phone. And so you can be able to change how hot or cold you want your camper just from sitting in your very comfortable sofa. A few hooks there for your leashes and coats and whatnots. And then here's just an additional storage with a built-in clothes rack. And then coming into this gorgeous kitchen, we have the updated color scheme driftwood, which is very gorgeous. All of the storage is below your sink, and it does have like this little lip here, so you have extra countertop space all around your sink pretty much. 50-50 split stainless steel, spray nozzle, window back there, and you also have a couple cabinets up above. Mounted outlet there just underneath the cabinet, so you can plug some small appliances in there. 3-burner top stove with a glass range cover. Of course, your oven, range hood, microwave. And then we have our refrigerator. I actually love that it matches with your cabinets there, so it's all very cohesive. Across from there is our booth dinette, and this will convert into a sleeping space for your kids or guests. And the sale price comes out to be $39,995. Also located in this slide out is not carpet. It's almost like an outdoor rug material, so you can sweep up pet hair really easily. The slide out is completely covered with windows, and then next to your booth dinette is your sleeper sofa, so this will fold out to a sleeping space for 1 to 2 people, depending on size. Across from there is our entertainment center. Electric fireplace down below that actually kicks off some heat. I really wish it was on right now because it's pretty chilly here. And then just above is your Bluetooth speaker system to put your DVDs in there, connect your phone to those outside speakers. You also have some cabinets, storage on either side. Big 4K Ultra HD swivel TV, more storage. And then just next to that, which is not far from where your kids are going to sleep, if they need to use the restroom, it is right here. You also have that second entrance. So if you do have guests over at your site or your kids are all grimy and dirty and they need to use the restroom, wash their hands for dinner, they can just come in through here and be able to do that without tracking all of the sand or dirt or grime into your camper. To my left is your sink. Same thing like with the kitchen. You have this kind of like extended lip amount of countertop space. Storage below, power outlets, medicine cabinet. And then across from your second or your outside entrance, porcelain foot flush toilet, shower tub combo with plenty of room to turn around in. You also have your skylight there up above, as well as a vent fan. Nice towel rack. And then just next to your bathrooms is your double over double bunks for your kiddos, but actually full-size adults are able to sleep up here too if your friends are wanting to come camp. They are rated for 300 pounds. They each have a privacy curtain so they can sleep in, whoever sleeps there. Built-in ladder too. You can extend it out if you want, but it can be stowed away so that no one trips and falls over it. The bottom bunk, as you can see, lifts up, so you can place taller items in here if you have no room for your kids wanting to stay or even use this bunk whatsoever. You can just use it for some additional storage, and you can hide it with this curtain right here. I've actually seen people put bikes and stuff in here, maybe a canoe or kayak, but really awesome space if you want to utilize it. Even when the bunk is down, you can still have some underneath storage just under that bunk too. But there you have it. Any sort of questions or concerns about this Cougar, feel free to let us know.